What is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is Google's own advertising network for publishers. This means it is an advertising network for content creators who can join the AdSense platform to make money by showing ads on their websites. How does it work? AdSense works by placing contextual ads on websites run by the people that join the platform. Contextual ads are adverts that match the topic or niche of a website. This means you can create a website about any topic and join the AdSense platform to show ads that won't bother your visitors with off-topic offers. Instead, they will blend in well with your content to offer your audience a good experience. So, if you have a website about travel, AdSense will show ads from travel companies to your visitors. The most popular online advertising program which pays you. AdSense is the most popular online advertising program. So far, over 38 million websites show AdSense ads to their visitors. And the reason why AdSense is such a popular choice is because of the benefits it offers compared to the rest of the existing advertising platforms. For one, you have that majority of advertisers, which are the companies and people who create ads to promote their products and services, prefer buying ad space through Google Ads, which is Google's ad network for advertisers, because it offers them placements on the most visited platforms on the internet, including Google, YouTube, and the websites that are part of the AdSense platform. Because there are so many advertisers buying ad space like this, you will never run out of ads to show on your website. Always striving to get people to click. Another benefit is the use of contextual ads. By showing contextual ads that match the content in your website, AdSense guarantees that your visitors will be more likely to click on them. One of the safest advertising networks. Google AdSense is also one of the safest advertising networks for publishers you can find. By joining AdSense, you can be sure that nothing but high-quality ads from legitimate companies and individuals will be shown to your visitors. And thanks to AdSense's strict review process, you won't risk showing ads that are misleading or that contain links to malware that can cause damage to your visitors and damage the reputation of your website. The best paying ad platform. AdSense is also perhaps the best paying ad platform for publishers out there, sometimes paying you up to $20 to $50 per click. This is thanks to the large number of advertisers bidding for ad space on websites that join the platform. Joining the AdSense platform is not that easy. I'm sure this sounds exciting and you'd like to get started right away. Who wouldn't? This is a great opportunity to create an automated income stream that brings in thousands of dollars a month. But you need to be aware that joining the AdSense platform is not that easy. Before you can start showing AdSense ads, you need to sign up and get approved into the platform. And while signing up is quite easy, getting approved is not. And there are countless people out there that don't get approved no matter how many times they apply. And even if you do get approved, making money with AdSense takes a lot of work because it isn't enough to have a website, and you will need to create high-quality content on a regular basis and to send lots of traffic to your website so you get people to click on your ads. We will help you. Luckily for you, in this training, we're going to teach you the easiest way to sign up and get approved fast. Here, we will also show you how to master AdSense once you get approved and how to use Flair to create content that sends massive traffic to your AdSense pay clicks for maximum profits. So, stay tuned for the next lesson, where we'll discuss what things you need to consider for getting approved for AdSense. Secret ingredient number 1, the right topic, picking a profitable niche. The first thing you need to do is pick a profitable niche. A profitable AdSense niche is any niche where advertisers pay high costs per click to show Google ads on websites. For getting Google AdSense approval, Google not only appreciates websites with high-quality content, but websites with content that's not off-limits. With this, I mean that you need to make sure that your website is family-friendly or, at the very least, safe for work. Google won't show ads on websites that publish content that's not for everyone or that borders on the illegal. So, be very careful to not post or promote content in the following topics: sex, recreational drugs, guns, explosives, shock or violence, alcohol misuse, tobacco, gambling, apps that have been removed from the Google Play Store, no matter the reason. Finding a profitable niche can take some effort, So I will make the long story short and will share with you a secret list I put together of the most profitable AdSense niches: insurance, loans, attorney, lawyer, donate, software, mesothelioma, degree, conference call, mortgage, gas, electricity, credit, treatment, classes, recovery, trading, hosting, transfer, cord blood, claim, doctor, educational, digital marketing, email marketing, SEO, fitness. To preview the current tremendous AdSense profit potential of these niches, we highly recommend you go to the Google Keyword Planner. To access this tool, visit ads.google.com while logged into your Google account. This will take you to the Google Ads dashboard. There, click on the Tools icon and then click on the Keyword Planner option. In the following page, you're going to click on the Discover New Keywords option. Here, you're going to enter one of the niches in the list into this field. You need to decide which language, which would be English, and for the country, just remove any to show all locations. Then you're going to click on Get Results. Go to the list of keywords and sort them by top of page bid low range, just to make sure you target keywords which advertisers are paying the lowest amount but still be high to get high Google AdSense profit per click. And there you have them. There you will see a lot of high CPC keywords. What do you think? There's a lot of money here, guys. You can create a website in any of those niches and earn higher AdSense ad revenue than with others. So I recommend you pick one now before moving into the next step. If you don't like the topics above, you can just keep searching for a topic of your choice and make sure you find as many high CPC keywords as possible. The idea is for you to have as many high CPC keywords as possible to create content for each and every one of those topics in your website.